Hello traders, you are welcome to this video on how to start day trading. All right, this video is for beginners. If you have been curious about day trading but you are not sure where to start, this guide will give you the clarity that you need. All right, first of all, let us define what day trading actually is. So day trading is the practice of buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks, forex, pairs, or other assets within the same trading day. Now, unlike long-term investing, or swing trading, the goal of day trading is to open and close trades within the same day to capture intraday price movements. All right. Now, let us talk about the tools that you will need to get started. The first step is choosing a reliable broker. All right. You have to choose a good broker, broker with good reviews, broker that offers good features and all of that, right? So after you must have chosen a broker, of course, your broker here is the platform that connects you to the market. You look for one that is regulated, one that has a user-friendly interface, provide the features that you will need, such as real-time charts, other execution tools, and account security. So once you've chosen a broker, the next step is to actually open an account. All right? Open and set up your day trading account. So there are different brokers out there. All right? There are different brokers out there. And you just have to, look for one that suits your trading style, one that offers security and that is regulated. Okay. So you open your account, you set up a trading account, right? You just sign up, okay, register. So after registering, right? Of course, after you must have registered, before you get verified, you need to, likely supply, personal information. You will have to undergo the KYC, right? Know your customer. During registration, you provide personal information, verify your identity, and then fund your account with the amount that you're comfortable starting with, right? That is when you're ready to start trading. Okay. Most brokers also offer demo accounts, which are very useful for beginners. A demo account, allows you to practice trading in real market conditions without risking actual money. So it depends on, the account. It depends on the broker, right? You're going to see different types of accounts. You're going to see different types of accounts and the different features, right? So I would actually recommend opening a demo account first, testing the market environment, and then once you are done with that, you can then proceed to opening a live account once you have become consistently profitable on demo, of course. All right. So after your account is set up, it's important to familiarize yourself with the trading environment. You just select the particular kind of account that you want, whether it's of course, depending on the broker, right? Select the kind of account out of the available types of accounts that are on the broker. Okay. Then you familiarize yourself with the trading platform. You learn how to open and close trades, set your stop loss and take profit orders. Well, after you've opened your trading account, you can actually, log into your trading platform like MT4 or MT5, right? Then you can decide to be doing your analysis on MetaTrader, or you can even do your analysis on TradingView, right? So you can decide to have a platform where you do your analysis, such as trading view, right, where you do your analysis and all of that. And then if your broker is not available on the trading view platform for you to probably sign into your account right there on TradingView, then you might need to be executing your trades outside TradingView, right? But if you feel it's too stressful for you, maybe analyzing on TradingView and then going out of TradingView to go and execute your trades, you can just as well do your analysis right there on your MetaTrader platform. Or if you feel TradingView has more analytic features that you like, then you can do your analysis right here and then go and execute your trades outside the TradingView platform. Okay, whatever works for you. All right. So after your account is set up, familiarize yourself with how to trade, right? Learn how to open and close your trades, learn how to set your stop losses, learn how to set your take profits, navigate the charting tools and all of that. The more comfortable you are with the platform, the smoother your trading experience will be. Now, let's talk about risk management. One of the most important principles in day trading for beginners is protecting your account. Never risk more than a small percentage of your account on a single trade, and always set stop loss orders to limit your exposure. All right. Risk management helps ensure that one bad trade does not wipe out your progress. Okay. Now, along with risk management comes the importance of discipline. Day trading requires a structured approach. This means having a clear trading plan, sticking to your strategy, and avoiding emotional decisions. Many beginners struggle because they let fear or greed dictate their trades. Okay, discipline is what separates consistent traders from those who burn out quickly, right? It's also helpful to focus on building a daily routine. Successful day traders prepare before the market opens by analyzing charts, identifying potential setups, and marking key levels, right? Having a structured routine helps you stay organized and focused throughout the trading session. And that brings us to the final step, which is practice and patience. All right, starting day trading as a beginner isn't about rushing into the markets. It's about learning, practicing on a demo account, applying risk management, and slowly building your skills. Over time, you will gain the confidence and knowledge to transition into live day trading. To recap, the process of how to start day trading for beginners involves understanding what day trading is, choosing the right broker, opening and setting up your account, practicing on demo accounts, mastering risk management, building discipline, and creating a daily routine. So with these foundations, you'll be well prepared to take your first steps into day trading. If this video helps you understand how to start day trading for beginners, make sure to click the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides and tutorials. Now you know exactly how to start day trading as a beginner and the steps needed to begin your journey with confidence. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.